Middle Tennessee until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located about 5 miles west of Murfreesboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Murfreesboro around 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Walter Hill around 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Auburtown, Las Gases, Milton, and Rockdale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 71 and 83. Interstate 840 between mile markers 47 and 58. Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the coast and keep yourself from signs of the Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, central Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, South Carthage, Tucker's Crossroads, Dixon Springs, Pleasant State and Nickerson Chapel Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 236 and 247. The rest remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northern DeKalb in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, north central White County in Middle Tennessee, western Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, north central Canyon County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Watertown, or near Alexandria, moving at 65 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cookville, Watertown, Baxter, Gordonsville, Hickman, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Auburtown, Center Lake, Edgar Evans State Park, and Cummins Falls State Park. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 255 and 291. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.